Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial about how to upload your newly created video to your YouTube channel by using your smartphone, any type of smartphone. And like right now I'm using my smartphone to even make a screen recording video for you guys on how to upload that video. So without further delays, I'm going to straight off to the point. Now you guys go to open your YouTube channel, click on your YouTube channel together, and let me first switch my account first. Okay, let me keep on this. Okay, your YouTube channel, and then you click on the upload buttons of your YouTube channel and click on the video you want to upload. So I have here 3 type of videos, so I click this video for you as an example. So I click on this video. Okay. This is I'm capturing my curtain, So I'm going to post these videos, upload this video to my channel. So after come to this stage, you can click next, or you can stream, or you can put on the music, add music on, whatever, to make the sound. So click on next, and you can see here you want to put the title. So the title is very simple for this video. Is my curtain. Okay, this is my curtain, and description, for example, my beautiful curtain. And that's it. Then you guys can click on upload to upload your newly created videos. Click on upload. Now it's uploading. You can see 16 seconds. In 13 seconds I completely upload the video on my YouTube channel. Okay, it's nearly finished. It's processing right now. Okay, the upload is completed. Okay, so I go to my channel to see my newly uploaded video. Okay, see everyone, this is my newly uploaded videos. Okay, that is very easy and a quick way to upload a video. So I hope you guys can learn how to upload your video on your YouTube channel by using smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys subscribe and click on like button, so I will give you more video of how to be a YouTube creator. Okay.